Hey guys, hello. How are you all? I'm just Nico. This is my small YouTube channel, and you help me to grow to about this because it supported me to like, shares, and subscribe. So this is my channel. So make sure like, share, and subscribe. This is quite disturbing because there is a temple inside there back in my mind. So I thought that I just make a video of the surroundings because scorching heat around there, and the sun is set ready to set up, and there's so much heat, heat scorching sun, like heat scorching like this. It's unbearable heat around there, and I am just sweating around there while recording this video. So maybe this is the if I talk about the summer season, it will just talk about the randomly, sometimes summer season, winter season. So I know you mostly like the winter season the most. I also appreciate winter season. I don't like summer season because I don't like sweating, and don't like sweating, and in this 2005 it's just unbearable heat. This is another vocabulary. So I back to my room because there is so much heat, it's unbearable. So if I talk about any season, if we start speaking about any random thing like in the summer season, winter season, or something like storytelling, so you can enhance your speaking skills in that kind of way too. Just generally, if you are alone, you will just try doing practice about them. If you talk randomly, just talk about the scorching heat in summer is unbearable, and it's so much heat outside there. So that's just you connect the sentence to sentence. That's I don't like summer season because, yeah, I like summer season because it's very much because it's I like mostly fruits which I like the most. This is especially called the mango and the ola because it hydrates our body, and also watermelon, also papaya, also also lychee, and there's so many fruits which is the most favorite in my, and mostly waiting with in summer season, and this is called. And also we like to just refresh drinks. We like to drink refreshing like nariyal, like coconut water, fresh lassi, and it's buttermilk. Like fresh lassi means buttermilk because it's a word. That's the third word I told you. That's a buttermilk, and because it's not lassi, it's buttermilk. And also we try many ice creams, and my favorite ice cream is mango flavor because I like the mango flavor. Because in this way you can enhance, is we're going to speak more and more what you like, what you don't like. It's around the surroundings, and how much surrounding, or if you live in the city, tell me about the city, how you live in a city, like in this heat conditions, and how you prepare yourself. And another you live in the countryside means you know about the countryside. Just comment me or why, what the countryside means. I want to show how much you know about what's the means of countryside in English, not in Hindi. Okay, so this is the kind you can enhance your speaking. Just speak about like 1 hour, like 1 hour or 15 minutes to 20 minutes on just the great pronunciation. Like you speak, but you speak, firstly you speak with you just no clarity. Sometimes you just fumble, and being over a period of time, you just practice, and you can enhance, you just enhance, and just do pronunciation clear, and you just speak your words clearly, efficiently. So in this way, you just randomly, you just take the topic, like what you do all the day, what you do, what any giving any major any funny moment happened in your office. Just remind in your mind, and just start in English, and just speak in English. And just as I went to the office there, and today is happening there's happening out there. It's a funny joke, there's some funny moment and we laughed a lot. So in this way we just create the whole speaking whole scenario in our mind, and then we thought we just speak in English. So this is the way how you enhance your English in a general manner, like just randomly, just general, just speak your thought about and then speak in English. Whatever you have mistakes, and sometimes you do mistakes and do pronunciation errors, the grammar errors, just forget about it, because it's sometimes doesn't matter when you speak fluently, because I also experience these kind of things. But I now, while experience and while speaking practice regularly, I just don't fumble and speak fluently and correctly, which I think about. What about you? You just comment me about my performance in front of when I speak, so you can tell me. So in this way you can just in a different manners, you just go outside, just sit in a garden, and just keep your surroundings fresh environment, speak. Just this is your favorite tree, I like to sit there, I like to every day, I like to come there every day and sit here for 5 minutes, and then I do exercise there. And there is lush green environment as the other word. Lush green environment is the whole lush green, means the trees are green, so this is lush green environment. So I enjoy the freshness of the air, and I keep calm, and I meditate, and they are sitting while in the garden. So my time there to the chaos of the other uh, traffic, and all the chaos, like all the like heaviness and tiredness. I just, when I meditate, when I come there, sit there and meditate, I just just go throw away all the tensions, and that's make my mind clear and the jaws. Okay, so this kind of you can this kind of if you speak like that, so you definitely improved your fluency in English, and you improved your talking in English. Like just talk in this, the one, the practice and consistency mean that. So consistency is the main proven point, that you have to be consistent, you have to be consistent and speak regularly for so many days, when till you are not confident about speaking in front of others, in front of camera, or in front of other boss, and like you doing presentations, like speak in English, just speak in English, just it doesn't matter, all the things, it doesn't matter. So just I want to talk about this thing about it. So my Instagram is also Inspired Jasmine Kaur is my Instagram channel, so you can join there, and you can follow me there, and also you can like, share and comment. Please comment on my YouTube channel whenever I post this a video. It gives me great motivation and get giving more and more English speaking like topics in I speak in front of you, and give them knowledge which I have. I just share all with you. So thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Till then, ciao.